everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to search for a job by truck number using quick search option in Fresa application. Initially, you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to quick search option at the top of the page. Here we have to choose the type as truck number. Enter the truck number in the value column. After filling the details, click on search button. Now the results will be displayed on the screen. If we click on the job number, then we can directly navigate to the respective job page. There we can find all the details regarding our job. Hope now you got an idea on how to search for a job by truck number using quick search option in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.